life is energy. It is the essence that fuels our existence, the invisible thread that weaves through every living being. It flows through us, connecting us all, creating an intricate web of life and consciousness. Within this flow lies an incredible power, the power to heal, to transform, and to elevate our spirits. This power is not external, but resides within you, waiting to be discovered and harnessed. It is a natural force, an innate ability that each of us possesses, waiting to be awakened and utilized. Energy healing helps you tap into this wellspring of well-being, guiding you to unlock your potential. It allows you to direct this energy, to mend and restore your body and mind, bringing balance and harmony. This is the journey we embark on together today, a journey of self-discovery and empowerment, a journey of healing, of rediscovering your innate strength and embracing your true self. With every breath, we will shed stress and negativity, releasing the burdens that weigh us down. In their place, we will cultivate peace and encourage vitality, nurturing our inner light. This is the path to wholeness, to a vibrant and joyful life, where we live in harmony with ourselves and the world around us. Embrace this journey, and let the power within guide you to a state of profound well-being and fulfillment. Together, we will explore the depths of our inner selves, unlocking the secrets of our own energy. We will learn to harness this energy, to heal, to grow, and to thrive in every aspect of our lives. This is not just a practice, but a way of life, a commitment to nurturing our souls and embracing our true potential. So take a deep breath and let us begin this transformative journey together, unlocking the power within. Begin by finding a comfortable position. Close your eyes gently. Let your eyelids rest softly, like a feather on still water. Allow your breath to deepen. Inhale slowly, drawing in life-giving energy. Exhale fully, releasing any tension or worry. With each breath, feel your body relax. Your shoulders soften, releasing the weight of the world. Your jaw unclenches, letting go of any held worries. Your mind begins to quiet, focusing on the rhythm of your breath. This is your sanctuary, a space of peace and tranquility. Notice the silence between breaths. It is a space of infinite possibility. In this space, healing begins. Let go of any thoughts that come and go. Observe them without judgment, like clouds passing in the sky. Your mind is a clear blue sky. Thoughts are simply passing weather patterns. Your body is now a vessel. It is ready to receive the healing energy that surrounds you. This energy is pure love and light. It knows exactly where to go. Trust in its wisdom. Bring your awareness to your heart center. This is the seat of your soul, the source of your inner wisdom. Place your hand on your heart if you wish. Feel the warmth of your hand. Sense the gentle beating of your heart. This is the rhythm of life, the pulse of your being. With each inhale, Draw this light into your heart. With each exhale, feel it expanding throughout your body. This light is intelligent and loving. It seeks out any areas of imbalance. It brings with it peace, harmony, and well-being. We are now going to open the channels. Imagine this light as a radiant golden color. See it flowing freely throughout your body. It moves through your arteries and veins, cleansing and revitalizing. It travels to every cell, restoring balance and harmony. Feel the warmth of this golden light. It is dissolving any blockages, any areas of stagnation. You are becoming a vessel of light. You are radiating health and vitality. Embrace this feeling of wholeness. Allow yourself to be healed. Visualize a sphere of brilliant white light emerging above your head. This light is pure healing energy. It pulsates with love, with the very essence of life. See it gently descend, moving closer to you with each breath. As it comes closer, feel its warmth. This warmth is comforting and safe. It carries no judgment, only pure, unconditional love. It knows your every need, understands your every wound. This light is here to help you heal, to restore you to wholeness. Now gently inhale this radiant light. Imagine it flowing down through the crown of your head, entering your body with your breath. Feel it filling your head, soothing your mind, calming your thoughts. This light is peace. It is clarity. It is perfect balance. With each exhale, release any tension, any stress, any fear. Let it go, allowing the light to wash it away. Feel your body becoming lighter, freer, more alive with each breath. This is the power of your breath, the power to heal, to rejuvenate, to restore. The light moves down, flowing through your neck and shoulders. Feel your muscles relaxing, releasing any tightness or pain. This light is revitalizing, bringing new energy to every cell. It moves down your arms, into your hands and fingertips. Feel the energy tingling in your fingertips. It is the energy of healing, of renewal. The light continues its journey, flowing down through your chest, your heart. Feel your heart expanding with love, with gratitude, with joy. Take a moment to appreciate this healing light. Silently give thanks for its presence, for its power to heal and transform. Feel gratitude for your body, for its ability to heal, to renew itself. This light is always with you, even when you are unaware of its presence. It is the life force that flows through you, the energy that connects us all. Remember this feeling of peace, of well-being. You can return to this space anytime you need to heal, to recharge, to reconnect with your inner strength. The healing light now flows down into your abdomen. It surrounds your organs with love and warmth. See it gently bathing your liver, cleansing and purifying. Feel its energy revitalizing your spleen, strengthening your immune system. Sense the light nurturing your kidneys, washing away any impurities. Your digestive system is bathed in this radiant light, promoting optimal function and well-being. Each organ is vital, each organ is precious. Feel them being nourished and revitalized, working in perfect harmony. We are now going to cleanse the blood. Visualize the light flowing throughout your circulatory system. See it moving with your blood, a vibrant current of healing energy. It travels to every corner of your body, reaching every cell. Imagine this light cleansing your blood, removing any toxins or impurities. Feel the warmth of this light as it expands your blood vessels, improving circulation and vitality. Your blood is life. It is energy. It is constantly renewing itself. Now bring your awareness to your skeletal system. Feel the solid presence of your bones, the framework of your body. The light now flows into each bone, strengthening and revitalizing. Feel your spine lengthening, aligning, releasing any tension. Your joints are bathed in this healing light, becoming more flexible, more fluid. This light is restoring your body's natural alignment, promoting ease of movement and grace. Your bones are strong, your joints are supple, your body is a temple. Finally, visualize this healing light reaching every cell in your body. See each cell as a tiny star, sparkling with vibrant life force. The light infuses each cell with energy, with vitality, with perfect health. Feel your entire being radiating with light. You are a being of light, a magnificent expression of life. This light is your natural state. It is who you truly are. Embrace this feeling of wholeness, of radiant health. As we near the end of our journey, let us plant seeds of affirmation deep within our hearts and minds. These seeds will grow into powerful forces of positivity and strength. Repeat these words to yourself, letting their truth resonate in every cell of your being. Feel the energy of these affirmations as they flow through you. I am healthy. I am whole. My body, mind, and spirit are in perfect harmony. I am filled with vibrant energy. Every breath I take revitalizes me, filling me with life and vigor. My body is a vessel of healing. It knows how to restore itself to perfect health, and I trust in its wisdom. I am grateful for the gift of life. Each day is a precious opportunity to grow, to love, and to experience the beauty of the world around me. I am worthy of love and happiness. Peace resides within me, and I share this peace with those around me. I am connected to the infinite source of healing. This connection fills me with strength and resilience. I am strong, I am resilient, I am filled with light. This light guides me through any darkness, illuminating my path. Believe these words, for they hold the power to transform your reality. Embrace them and let them become a part of who you are. As you continue to affirm these truths, you will notice a shift within you, a shift towards greater health, happiness, and peace. Let these affirmations be your guiding light, leading you towards a life filled with joy and fulfillment. You are deserving of all the good that life has to offer. Remember, the power of these affirmations lies in your belief. Believe in yourself, believe in your strength, and believe in the light within you. With each repetition, these affirmations will become more ingrained in your consciousness, shaping your reality in beautiful ways. Embrace the journey and let the light of these affirmations guide you towards a brighter, more fulfilling future. Take a deep breath and feel the energy flowing through you. This energy is your birthright, a gift from the universe. Cultivate gratitude for this gift, for the miracle of your own being. Give thanks for your breath, for your heartbeat, for the intricate symphony of your body. Be thankful for the challenges that have made you stronger. Be grateful for the love that surrounds you, the love that resides within you. Embrace this feeling of gratitude. Let it fill you with joy. This is the essence of true healing. As you begin to gently move back into your surroundings, carry this light with you. Let it be a beacon that guides you through the days ahead, illuminating not just your path, but also the paths of those around you. Let it illuminate your thoughts, your words, your actions. Allow this light to touch every aspect of your life, bringing clarity and warmth to your interactions and decisions. Know that healing is a journey, not a destination. It is a continuous process of growth and self-discovery, filled with lessons and insights that shape who you are. There will be moments of ease and moments of challenge. Embrace these moments, for they are opportunities to learn and evolve. Each step, whether smooth or rocky, is a vital part of your journey. Embrace them all, for they are all part of your unique path. Your journey is unlike any other, and it is this uniqueness that makes it so powerful and transformative. Remember the power you hold within, the power to heal, to grow, to transform. This power is your inner strength, your resilience, and your capacity for love and compassion. Trust in this power, trust in yourself. Believe in your ability to overcome obstacles and to find peace and joy in the journey. And know that you are never alone on this journey. There are countless others walking their own paths, and together we form a tapestry of shared experiences and support. The universe is always with you, supporting you, guiding you, loving you unconditionally. Feel this support in the gentle breeze, the warmth of the sun, and the beauty of the world around you. Embrace this love and let it fill your heart with hope and courage.